I've changed my name on Twitch to Share Edge, but in 2 months I'll be able to change it back. It was just a joke between friends. But you know, last videos we spoke about how to fix the input issue on your microphone. This video we're gonna talk about how to improve your audio on any mic, even this one, you know. Improve the audio, use a compression so that you won't hear your keyboard or any noise, all that good stuff. Right, the first tip I'm gonna say you should do, well, I don't think you should do, it depends on you. In if your mic is too low and you can't really hear yourself, I suggest you go to open your sound settings here, and then you go to sound control panel, and then we go to the microphone settings. All right, so now all we need to do is pick the microphone that we're going to use. In my case, I'm going to be using the Hyper X Qyadcast. Yeah, so then we go down to properties, and then we go to levels, and then we take the levels of the microphone, we put it to 100%. So then it outputs 100% of the sound. And then the next one, this is for like if you're on stream, everything, you want it to sound pretty professional and stuff. So this is what you do. Okay, in this video I'm gonna add another scene because I already have my sound settings, everything's set up. Yeah, you go to filters, you add that plus button and everything, and you change the gain, you put the compression, everything, all of that good stuff. I'm gonna show you how to do it now. So you do that, and what you do next is what I'm going to do next, not what you do next. What I'm gonna add another audio capture audio output. I need an input one. Image display. No, I need a. I'm so dumb. I see. Oh, I'm so dumb. Why didn't I see it? It was just right in front of me. Anyway, then you press this, create a new one. If you want to create a new one, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I muted this one. You see the difference? You hear the difference? And then when I mute this one and play this one, there's a whole different. It sounds different, you know. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna mute this one, and you'll see. So this is how you do it. And I'm gonna do this. So this is how you do it. I'm going to go into this settings. I'm going to go to the audio input capture one. I'm going to go to this one. Hello. So I can. Oops. You know what? I can't really hear myself and do it at the same time. So basically, if you was just doing the mic one, you'll be able to listen to yourself as you're actually doing it. You know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see something. I think this is wait, let me go into properties and pick the right microphone. Right microphone is the Qyadcast. There we go. The Qyadcast is being picked up. Let's see something. If this doesn't work, oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Yes, the Qyadcast is working, and I'm not hearing myself. Maybe you guys might hear me twice, but bear with me, you know. Alright, so basically we're gonna go into, oh my god, go away, and we're going to go into the filters. Can I go into filters? And then what I'm gonna add first is the gain. So now I choose how high the gain is. So the gain is here. So you guys are gonna probably hear me super loud. I'm gonna have to fix that in the post. So I'm gonna just put the gain here, and then I'm gonna put the compressor in, and that should make my noise output really low. Hold on, I need to fix some stuff, and I can make it even louder because it has another gain. And let's see. Oh, this is the what I needed, the limiter. Ooh, the limiter. This is what I need. Okay, as you can see, the limiter makes it so that you don't pick up certain noises. See, it went down now, so you can have it a high, but you could pick up like at this level, you know. It's really good. So remember, you need a limiter, you need a compressor, because the compressor does the same thing. And then what else do you need? Oh my god. Noise suppressor. This is going to block out like background noise, or if you don't want your keyboard to be picked up on the stuff, so you use as a noise compressor. As you can hear, the noise has been suppressed. Okay, so that's basically what this does. And you can put it up higher, and you can put it lower. It helps you, so it won't pick up sound that are less than this decibel. You understand? And it's also compared to your microphone too. So if I turn my microphone dial gain all the way down, as you can see, the background noise is gone. Yeah. But if I turn the gain up, you can hear the background noise, you can hear my PC and everything. But turn down, it's clear, it's nice, and the gain is up, everything. So I suggest you play around with this and see how you like it. And yeah, that's how it is. And then you press OK and everything is settled. What I'm gonna do now is maybe you guys might hear me twice, so I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, wait, off. Yeah, I'm turning this off. So now I'm gonna show you the difference in sound. So this is me with the new one that I've set up right now, and then this is me with the old one that I had set up before. And this one I actually made it particular to the way I actually like it or want it to be. So I'd say you go in, you see how you like it, you be meticulous with it and everything, and that should be the way to go. Or you can even use this filter stuff on your camera, on your webcam, which I'm probably going to do that in another video. And yeah, that's how you do it. And let me know, should I do a video on layers and everything, on how to set up your webcam to make it look good and everything, and how, you know, to go into the properties of the webcam and change the colors, everything, green screens, all of that good stuff, you know. I can do that. And thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you join the Discord, which is in the description. And make sure you also come through and follow me on Twitch. The Twitch will be in the description, but right now my URL has changed from the last video, so I apologize, but just join the Discord. The URL there for my Twitch is correct. Yeah, so join the Discord to find out when I stream, how I stream, and come speak to people, and, you know, get into the community. We're nice people, we'll help you with anything you need. Budget PC builds, all of that, how to stream on your Xbox, PlayStation, everything, how to set up remote play and have that as your screen and stream through remote play. I can set all this up. I can have a video on all of this. just let me know in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna see you when I see you guys. I'm out. How did I get here?